Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on there from Nev's Tech Bits? And check out my new bicycle. That's right, with this, I can rule the world. Looks like you got a capacitive, or sorry, what was that called? Recessive type screen. Resistive type screen. And with this unit, you can play some blackjack or something like that. I haven't actually figured out how to play this thing yet, but I don't really care how to play this. 2-in-1 solitaire? No, I'm here for the teardown, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I'm not even sure this thing works. I can't seem to do a whole lot. Come on. Oh, whatevs. Let's just get into it. So as you can see, I got this for an unbelievable price of pretty much nothing. Now I gotta figure out where I put my screwdriver. There we go. Okay, so yeah. These handheld things always great for the older folks. Get them in touch with technology. It seems to be what they like to play with. Some people, with these types of games, people seem to either like them or just not use them at all. They love them, or they just like, whatevs. Whatevs. But as you all know, I love to take these suckers apart. See what's on the inside. See what makes them tick. Wouldn't it be funny if these were like the original batteries the thing came with? I wonder what year we got on here. No mercury added. Do not throw into the fire. Yeah, at one time they actually told you to throw batteries into the fire because it was good for the fireplace, but that was a different type. Was it Hitachi? Hitachi Maxwell. Okay. Interesting. Actually, let's get the sticker off of here and see where this thing came from. So this is Techno Source. Good thing they don't do music. Techno Source, 2006 Techno Source, all rights reserved, all that fun stuff. Yeah. Just like that. Back in the day, these old types of stuff, it's just so nice to have something like this. But these days, you hardly even need anything like this because everybody's got their phones. Even grandma has her phone. You can put all this stuff on your phone. Man, so many clips on these things. Clips all the things. Just like that, I got her off of there. You can tell this one's one of the newer ones. So much going on. So much coming to the main chip. The main chip is so small. Speaker, yeah. Not bad. So you see this kind of duzzy, fussy stuff? It kind of gives a bit of a glow off. That's a bit of an insulation layer that they spray on there. One time on Reddit, I seen this picture of I think it was a gecko or a spider that ended up ruining a multi-million-dollar board. And the board should have had a layer of that insulation on it so that it wouldn't have killed it. But unfortunately, it didn't. And it was like a multi-million-dollar irrigation system. You know irrigation systems are not cheap. It's one of those things, if you have it, you're making a lot of damn money. A lot of money. If you can afford automatic irrigation, ladies and gentlemen, you have money. Actually, I was kind of surprised to see this thing was so new. I didn't even realize that this thing had a resistive screen on it. Those things were really popular in about that time. Switch right on the board. Oh, wow. That is so cool. It just slides right out. That is awesome. Okay, so it went like that. That is interesting. That is interesting. Okay. And just like that. ladies and gentlemen, that is what we have. And that's it for me. Another one for the scrap pile. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it, ladies and gentlemen. And take care of each other.